All right, y'all. Texas 2K has officially started on my side of town, pumping that good old E85. Headed out to a little parking show right now. Don't know if we're gonna get active tonight. Might not, depends on the vibes, depends on if there's a lot of cops, because I don't really want to be doing any of that 40 car pull out shit anymore. Trying to do it kind of low-key this year, be a little bit smarter about everything, but 30 bucks should get her done. Yes, sir. I love the way this car sounds, man. Love it. All right, so we're at the pre-meet right now. Shit's pretty decent so far. Curious where they're gonna park us and shit. Looks pretty decent though. Pretty cool cars. I picked up the camera kind of late because I wanted to get a vibe of this place first. Make sure I actually want to stay over here. But so far it's pretty good. Hellcat. Woo! It's on a fat tire too. Got a C8. 6th gen. And I love this color on the 6th gen. These 6th gens are so clean. If I were to get a Camaro, it would definitely be a 6th gen. I really do like Camaros. I ain't gonna lie. They did right with the 6th gen. At the 350. This is pretty badass. LS swap with the turbo. This is 5. Badass too. Hell yeah. $2K always brings out the nice rides. Woo! Took it far enough away from it so we can avoid the copyright. Damn, super so fucking clean on CC Dub. Damn. I should have put that in that FRS. I capped not doing that. I'm not gonna lie, these do look good. say this about Texas. Something I do love about Texas. People actually have like high performance cars, like actual like nice shit. People don't put reps on them, but I really do fuck with that. So I got the TBMs, bullet specialties. These are actually fucking sick though. Crazy. As soon as I can, I know I just pressed my key and it's like his infotainment system turned on. All right, so we're headed out. This meet was actually pretty dope. I'm not gonna lie, it's a pretty nice car. Not too sure what we're gonna do after this. I'm probably gonna head back home, to be honest, because I do gotta be up in the morning. All right, y'all, so headed home now. That was actually a pretty cool meet. I'm actually not gonna get any runs in tonight. I'm not too sure where the group went that I know we're gonna go ahead and do some runs,
2 miles,
but
take the exit to merge onto
okay, maybe they are going this way. I'm not too sure, but I ain't gonna get no runs in right now. I'm just gonna be chilling. That meet was just more of a park and chill. It wasn't like a race meet or something like that, but we'll be hitting up a lot of meets this weekend. Just some meets, the vibe of the type of cars that are there. Sometimes you just gotta know when to just not go out and hit the highway and roll race. So that's kind of what I'm trying to do right now. I'm just gonna try to play it smart as possible. We got no spotters, no blockers, nothing like that, no Zello. I'm not really trying to go ahead and get caught up because that's the last thing that I want to have happen. So hope you guys enjoy it. I'm trying to give you guys the whole TX2K experience, man. The park and chills, you know, the race meets, all that good shit. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you guys drop a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, turn those post notifications, man. A lot of nice cars. I found my next wheel and tire setup, which super happy about, man, because I honestly needed to see those Lagunas, especially the Laguna bead locks, in person before I pulled the trigger, because the last thing you want to do is buy a set of welds and you don't like them. I actually do like those, so those are definitely going to be the next set. I think they would look really nice on the GT350, and the best part about it is I can go ahead and retain the front and the rear Brembo brakes, so that's obviously a huge positive. Man, dude, this is so livable. Like, it is so livable when you have the active mufflers. But yeah, catch you guys in the next one, man. Deuces.